Hello, today we have a second generation Ford Endeavour. This second generation Ford Endeavour is our second project. Well, we have already done a Ford Endeavour project which was a lime green on first phase, and it's now Emogem Light Neo. So we have this machine from Mr. Machine. Mr. Machine is here in his BMW GT, and it's been wrapped in Nardo Grey. Well, he is here to pimp his machine to a mean mug. So we are going through the options. We have decided to wrap his car into satin brown. So moving on the next process, we have got this mud terrain tires with us and steel bumper, fuel alloy wheels. Well, we have got all the sets from Jeep Tire India, Mumbai. I'm leaving their contact details below in the description. My people are experiencing the fitment of the bumper. Well, we have worked on our previous project in Mahindra Thar and we had custom made the bumper by ourselves. But this one, we thought we would outsource it and we would fit it by ourselves. And the vehicle is almost ready. So let's take out for a trial.